Let's start. Today we will see how to use the visibility widget in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePage state. This is _myHomePage state class. Here we will design our app. This is the data member that stores the visibility status of a UI component. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a container widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. The first child in the column is a text widget. But, this text widget is surrounded by a visibility widget. The visible attribute is set to the isVisible variable. The second child of the column is an elevated button. When the button is pressed, we alter the visibility status. So as we click this button, the text widget above will be hidden and shown alternatively. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, the text widget gets hidden and shown again on another click. So that's it. That's how you can use the visibility widget in Flutter Android. Thank you.